Hi friends, this is Jerry, bringing you another Maintenance Monday. Sit back and enjoy the video. The ceiling had a Celotex ceiling tile, then they had drywall over the top of that and a texture on it. It had a water leak from the roof, damaged it. The drywall was bowing down and coming loose, peeling off, so they hired me to come in and repair it. So I had to remove all that was left of the drywall back to the ceilings, the Celotex ceiling tile. I put on drywall back on top, and then I had to finish it. So I'll show you in the next pictures the process of taping and bed coating and finish muddings to finish this up and blend it back in. Here I had hung the drywall back up over that ceiling, the square ceiling, Celotex ceiling they call that. That was popular way back in the 70s. People were putting that over plaster that was gone bad, and then they textured over it, and anyways, it was just what a mess. But this is how it looked after I put this drywall back in. Here in this picture you can see where I matched the drywall back to the old existing one. Here I went and taped and put the first bed coating on to fill it in as much as possible. I had 3 coats of mudding at this point, so it was leveled out enough till I could do the rest of the finishing. Here it's sanded and primed. I had to get this prepped so it'll be ready to take some texture. Now this is the texture that they had on the ceiling to begin with, and I matched it back using a texture brush to do this. Now in this last picture you can see the difference where before and after. The darker gray area where it's wet is the new texture. And then you can see the other is the old one. Hi friends, this is Jerry here, Maintenance Monday. Say, take a look at some of these other videos I'm putting up here on the end screen. More of my Maintenance Monday videos. I would appreciate it. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and make a comment, and we'll get back with you as soon as we can. Any questions you may have. But see you, ya.